looking to optimize your Mac's performance and maximize its storage capacity? Look no further! Welcome to our in-depth exploration of CleanMyMac, the ultimate solution for Mac users seeking peak efficiency. Every Mac user knows the struggle of a cluttered system, sluggish performance, and limited storage space. But fear not! CleanMyMac is here to save the day. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets behind CleanMyMac, how it clears the clutter, boosts performance, and optimizes your Mac like never before. Stay tuned to discover how this powerful tool can transform your Mac experience. Let's start by understanding what CleanMyMac is all about. Designed specifically for Mac systems, CleanMyMac is an all-in-one solution to optimize your Mac's performance while reclaiming valuable storage space. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to efficiency. Its intuitive interface allows for a quick scan that identifies and removes junk files, unnecessary clutter, and cache, freeing up precious space on your hard drive. But that's not all. The Smart Scan feature comprehensively targets system junk, outdated caches, and large files that may be weighing down your Mac's performance. With just a few clicks, CleanMyMac does the heavy lifting, giving you a streamlined, faster Mac experience. Not only does CleanMyMac declutter your Mac, but it also optimizes the system's performance. It fine-tunes the system, speeds up applications, and even improves the overall responsiveness of your Mac, making it feel brand new. Managing storage and boosting performance has never been this effortless. With CleanMyMac, you're in control, ensuring your Mac runs at its absolute best every day. Don't just take our word for it. Users worldwide have praised CleanMyMac for its remarkable impact on their Mac's performance. Join the league of satisfied users and experience the difference yourself. CleanMyMac is your Mac's best friend, tailored to manage your storage efficiently and boost your Mac's speed effortlessly. Let's explore its multifaceted capabilities and see how it transforms your Mac experience. Ever wondered what's eating up your storage? CleanMyMac not only identifies the culprit but efficiently removes outdated cache files, system junk, and unneeded large files, giving you back valuable disk space. Optimization is key to a seamless Mac experience. CleanMyMac doesn't stop at decluttering, it fine-tunes your Mac's operations, ensuring applications load faster and your system is more responsive. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual cleanups. CleanMyMac's Smart Scan feature intelligently targets areas that require attention, saving you time and effort while ensuring your Mac runs optimally. Managing storage shouldn't be a headache. CleanMyMac simplifies the process by providing a clear, visual breakdown of what's hogging your space and empowering you to reclaim it with ease. Experience the satisfaction of seeing your Mac at its peak performance. With CleanMyMac, you'll witness a noticeable improvement in speed and efficiency, enhancing your productivity. Besides freeing up space and optimizing performance, CleanMyMac ensures the safety and integrity of your data, performing thorough checks without compromising your privacy. Join the league of users who have embraced CleanMyMac and witness a significant difference in their Mac's performance. It's time to elevate your Mac experience. CleanMyMac is designed for everyone. Whether you're a casual user or a professional, it caters to your needs, offering a seamless and efficient solution for Mac maintenance. Never worry about the complexity of managing your Mac again. CleanMyMac streamlines the process, ensuring that anyone can use it without technical expertise. Feel the difference instantly as CleanMyMac refreshes your Mac, providing a cleaner, faster, and more organized system, giving you a stress-free experience. Ready to take the reins and transform your Mac experience? CleanMyMac puts the power in your hands to optimize your Mac, all with just a few clicks. Take control of your Mac's destiny. CleanMyMac isn't just a tool, it's a game-changer in maximizing storage and performance. Elevate your Mac's potential today. CleanMyMac isn't just about decluttering, it's about extending the lifespan of your Mac. By removing unnecessary files and optimizing performance, your device operates efficiently, potentially adding years to its usability. Beyond the visible clutter, CleanMyMac dives deep into system-level optimization, ensuring your Mac's core operations are at their best, ultimately boosting its overall performance. Every time you run CleanMyMac, it's like a breath of fresh air for your Mac. It cleans out the digital cobwebs, giving your system the room to breathe and perform at its peak. Concerned about accidentally deleting important files? Fear not! CleanMyMac is designed with precision, distinguishing between junk and essential data, safeguarding what matters. CleanMyMac doesn't just stop at making your Mac faster, it optimizes your system without disrupting your workflow, ensuring you experience the change seamlessly. Using CleanMyMac is like giving your Mac a spa day. It not only feels refreshed but also performs better, allowing you to get more out of your favorite applications. Worried about the complexities of optimizing your Mac? CleanMyMac simplifies the process, making it accessible to all, regardless of technical expertise. CleanMyMac is like having a personal assistant for your Mac, ensuring it's in top-notch condition without the hassle or stress of manual maintenance. Join the community of empowered Mac users who have unlocked the full potential of their systems with CleanMyMac, experiencing a faster and more organized digital life. CleanMyMac isn't just a tool, it's a solution that resonates with Mac users, providing not just a service but a transformation in how they interact with their devices. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the wonders of CleanMyMac. It's time to revolutionize your Mac experience by maximizing storage and performance with this exceptional tool. Say hello to a cleaner, faster, and more efficient Mac today. Don't let a cluttered Mac slow you down. Embrace the power of CleanMyMac and unlock the full potential of your Mac. Like, share, and subscribe for more insightful tech guides and tips. Until next time, keep your Mac at its best with CleanMyMac.